Hi, this is FTC in-between number 8. Creative block or reset button. Imagine a beautifully crafted sailboat on the sea. The waves become animated, the wind howls, and the boat careens from side to side. You are standing on a rocky shore watching. The boat is beautiful, but it has no rudder, and it's tossed from one situation to the next, barely able to stay afloat. This is what a creative block feels like, a rudderless boat adrift in a sea of uncertainty. The longitude and latitude of your creative self are points unknown. Now, a creative block is scary because you have no ideas or motivation. Everything inside your head feels stale. And I don't know about you, but for me, this is an invitation to think the worst. Uh-oh, all my ideas are gone. What if I never, ever paint or write or create again? My panic button turns into the gospel of scarcity. As if to say, you've been hardwired with a limited amount of creativity, and you hit your quota. It's gone. Sorry, end of the line. Nothing stokes the fires of fear like scarcity. And scarcity has nothing to do with a creative block. A creative block can happen to anyone, whether you're a student or you've been making art or writing for many years. Now, it's said to be caused by stress, fear of failure, self-doubt, or wanting perfection. It is a state of mind. Now, let's depathologize a creative block. What if it's something not to dread? What if it signals growth and change? What if it's an internal reset button telling you new ideas are forming, but you haven't caught up with them yet? Or you're entering a new way of being that will form and inform your new work. So, a creative block is not about scarcity. It is a rich time to create mental space for growth and change that requires self-care. Or you need a damn dose of serious playful. Do things that make you happy or inspire you. Clean your workspace. Rearrange furniture in your home. Read, write, garden, make a quilt, make bookshelves. It doesn't matter. During a creative block, what matters is how you talk to yourself. Critical, cruel voice, or that self of yours, like a best friend who tells you, hey, it's okay, you got this. Rumi writes, fish don't hold the sacred liquid in cups. They swim the huge fluid freedom. Creativity is in all of us. It ebbs and flows according to when it needs to be seen and heard. Okay, thank you. Bye.